My name is John. At the procedure time, I was around 60 years old. I have two of them here. I actually had stem cell done on my knees, and I was treated for Lyme disease, or one of the co-bacterias, last year. It's been about 12 months since my knees were done, probably about 13 months since I had the Lyme disease protocol finished. Well, originally I had a problem with my knees, and it was really difficult, in my business construction and just general in sports too. Couldn't bend over, couldn't lift too many things. I had several cortisone injections done to help, alleviate the pain, but I wasn't getting any good results from it over time, and they just continued to deteriorate. And I was just having more and more trouble. Even getting up the stairs became a problem. The doctor said eventually I'd have to have knee replacement, and that was a big difference in coming to Dr. Childers, because I really didn't want to go through a dual knee replacement. The stem cell I'm very impressed with, because it has exceeded. I was questionable, can it do that? But every day they're coming out with more and more interesting stuff about stem cells, and it seems to be working very well. As far as the Lyme disease is concerned, it just basically cleaned up every problem that I had that was making me feel more tired, more ill, as it progressed over a couple years that I had it. I'm much more active, and I feel a heck of a lot better, definitely. I don't have any of the problems I had before. The knees are still a little sore. They're still, ongoing. Everything's still kind of growing back, I guess. But I can do a lot more than I could before. I'm pretty much pain-free, which was the best part about it. It was just all the pains from both issues. They really tend to wear you down after a while. And I'm not one for pain medications. So I was definitely happy with that. Well, I tell you, one thing I have recommended Dr. Childers to others, and one of them is a neighbor of so to speak, of mine, a person I've done work for years ago, and he's been up here and had his knees done, and he's had excellent results too. So.